Number 1.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It has 188,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in green with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is equipped with a dependable V6 engine in a 2WD configuration. The truck has been paint corrected and features a coated bed, though there are some dents left behind by the previous owner. Coming from Texas, the interior shows some fading, but overall it remains functional. The steering is currently a bit loose due to a gearbox that needs replacement, and while the AC condenser is still in good condition, the compressor will need attention. Despite these minor issues, the truck drives smoothly on the expressway with no wobbling or hesitation. Importantly, it shows no signs of rust except for some on the driver's door and a small spot on the passenger side.
Number 2.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,800. Well-preserved pickup with just 82,000 original miles, making it an excellent example of a dependable, classic Chevy truck. Powered by a strong V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth performance and reliable driving every time. The truck retains its original condition throughout, including its factory white exterior and well-kept interior, offering both authenticity and durability. It comes with a clean title and a verified Carfax showing no accident history, adding extra peace of mind for the next owner. The exterior paint does show some light imperfections from sun exposure, but nothing major, and overall the finish remains presentable and decent for its age. The tires are in good condition, further supporting its road-ready status.
Number 3.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,800. It has been given a complete fresh restoration and shows just 90,000 miles on the odometer. Presented in a striking red exterior with a well-kept burgundy interior, it captures the classic look of an early 90s Chevy pickup while offering the dependability of a modern rebuild. Under the hood sits a fully rebuilt 4.3L V6 engine paired to a completely rebuilt automatic transmission, ensuring smooth performance and reliable power delivery. Every major component on this truck has been replaced or refurbished, from mechanical parts to comfort features. The air conditioning system blows cold, making it a comfortable choice in any climate. Running on gasoline, it starts easily and drives confidently, whether used as a daily driver or weekend cruiser. The seller notes that they hold a clean title in their name and can provide receipts documenting the extensive restoration work. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race.
Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds.
Number 4.
1982 GMC 2500, price $7,500. It is equipped with LED headlights and features a clean interior, though the seat could use new upholstery and the door panels would benefit from some refreshing. The truck's body carries plenty of bumps and bruises from years of use, but these can be addressed with some care. Structurally, the frame remains solid and rust-free, while only minimal rust can be found on the body. A driver's side mirror is missing, along with a few other small odds and ends that need attention. Inside, it retains its original tape deck, now paired with a Bluetooth radio transmitter, and has been fitted with new speakers that may not be very loud but serve their purpose. When digital gauges were installed, the last recorded mileage was around 70,000 miles, giving a fair idea of its use over the years.
Number 5. 1984 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,400. This truck comes with a clean blue title and the seller's name and current tags. Showing only 73,000 miles on the odometer, it is powered by a dependable 6.2L Detroit diesel engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission and an NP208 transfer case. The 4x4 system engages smoothly and works exactly as it should. The truck features a brown exterior with a tan interior, and while it does show some rust, it remains a solid example of a classic square-body GMC. It rides on 33 by 12.50 by 15 tires that still have plenty of tread left. Inside, both the air conditioning and heater are fully functional, making it comfortable to drive in any season. Running on diesel fuel, this Sierra has been kept in good mechanical condition, and with its automatic transmission, long bed, and rugged drivetrain, it's ready for both work and enjoyment. Number 6.
1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It features a striking blue exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a clean, classic look. Under the hood, it has been LS swapped with a dependable 5.3L engine, providing modern performance in a vintage body. While the truck runs and drives well, it does require some minor attention.
The air conditioning has stopped working, there is a transmission fluid leak from where the shaft enters the transmission, and the radiator fan likely needs replacement, as the temperature tends to rise if the truck idles for too long. Despite these issues, it remains a strong driver. Please note that the vehicle does come with a salvage title. Number 7. 1987 Dodge D150, price $8,000, well-kept example of a classic pickup, showing just 73,000 miles on the odometer. Under the hood, it's powered by the reliable 318 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it both easy to drive and strong on the road. The truck has been used as a dependable daily driver for over a year and continues to run strong without hesitation. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a contrasting red interior, it carries the bold look Dodge trucks of this era are known for. Inside, it offers comfort and convenience with power windows, power door locks, and a functional air conditioning system, features not always common in pickups from the 1980s. Running on gasoline, this D150 combines classic styling with everyday usability. Number 8. 1978 Chevrolet K10, price $7,500. It has been carefully maintained and upgraded to ensure reliability and performance. It comes equipped with 2 brand new fuel tanks, with the switch and gauge fully operational, as well as a freshly installed carburetor. The truck also benefits from a new rough country 2-inch lift kit, while the oil, transmission, and transmission pan gasket have all been recently serviced. For sound and style, it features Scar audio speakers paired with a Bluetooth radio, and the exhaust system has been upgraded with long tube headers leading to a 2.5-inch setup with an X-pipe and Carboner mufflers, giving it an aggressive yet clean tone. Locking hubs provide added functionality, and throughout its use, this K10 has proven itself a dependable companion, starting on the very first try every time and confidently handling trips wherever it goes. Number 9. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,850, finished in a classic gray exterior with a burgundy interior. It runs on gasoline and has had just 2 owners since new. The truck spent nearly its entire life in California, meaning the body is completely rust-free. It now carries Colorado plates and title, though it was recently moved back to Texas and has not yet been re-registered. The body remains straight, and the engine runs strong. It rides on Bridgestone CO2 tires and currently features a full camping build-out in the bed, which can easily be removed if desired. In 2022, over $2,600 was invested in replacement parts and repairs, including new seals, a starter, alternator, spark plugs, fluids, ignition lock cylinder, pitman arms, idler arm, and differential carrier. With its clean history, well-documented maintenance, and excellent mechanical condition, this Sierra stands as a reliable and versatile classic pickup. Number 10. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. This truck is a clean-titled pickup finished in classic red with a tan interior, giving it a timeless look both inside and out. It is powered by a dependable V8 engine and paired with an automatic transmission, while the long bed makes it highly practical for hauling or work use. With 296,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs strong and has recently been fitted with a brand new battery, ensuring reliable starts every time. The truck is gasoline-powered and, while it could use a little TLC to freshen it up, it continues to be a solid and dependable vehicle that's ready to be driven and enjoyed.